Hi, all of you all, and warm regards to all my friends from Jai Vakil Foundation, teachers of Jai Vakil School, and the parents of all our children there. Most of you may be familiar with me. I am Santosh Ravindran, the dentist who has been associated with Jai Vakil since 1994. And I am here on behalf of the dental department, which comprises of Dr. Khushbu Saigal Chablani and Dr. Hiral Shah, who are both pediatric dentists and who have both associated with us and rendered that services to Jai Vakil since last quite a few years. This address to you is primarily to ensure that all of you all remain healthy from the oral perspective. So what we are going to talk about today is how you can keep your mouth clean and healthy. One, the most important point is that you need to brush twice a day. The night brushing is most important. Do not go to sleep without brushing at night. The morning brushing is not that important as the night brushing, but the night brushing is extremely important. If you feel that there may be some cavities which are developing, then it may be a good idea to use a toothpaste called Enafix. Toothpaste Enafix. Some people ask me queries whether we should use a mouthwash. It's not required to use a mouthwash, but if you feel you want to use a mouthwash, you can use a non-medicated mouthwash, that is a mouthwash made of essential oils. Brand name is Listerine. You can use Listerine. Do you need to use anything other than a toothpaste and a mouthwash? Technically no, but in two situations you may have to. One is if you have a dry mouth. Now most of our children in Jai Vakil, they have drooling issues, so there is no question of dry mouth. But just in case someone has dry mouth, you need to get something called a dry mouth gel and apply it twice a day in your mouth, on your tongue, and spread it around in the mouth twice a day. You get this on Amazon, a dry mouth gel. In case you have many cavities in your mouth and you are unable to go to a dentist, then you can use what is called a tooth mousse. A tooth mousse is also available on Amazon. These are the things that you can buy from there. Now, if your children do not have sufficient motor skills and are unable to brush their own teeth properly, and they do not allow you to brush their teeth properly, then you need to buy what is called a water flosser. A water flosser is a device which sends a water jet into the mouth, and the mouth gets cleaned of debris, food debris and microorganisms, basically by the force of the water jet which is being pumped in. So a water jet, it's called a water flosser, air flosser, where the air and water both come out together. A lot of companies make it. You get it on Amazon from anywhere between 1500 to 7500 rupees. So you can buy that and use it. So the first and most important point was how to keep your mouth clean. The second most important point is that do not have multiple intakes in a day. So you don't keep on eating things. Anything that you put in your mouth other than water is an intake. So try to restrict it to 4 intakes in a day, maximum 6 intakes in a day, not more than that. Also in the intake you can eat whatever you want. You can have your ice cream, sweets, anything. But if you eat sticky foods like farsan or chocolates, then after the meal is over, use an empty brush so that you can remove the particles which are stuck onto your teeth surfaces, and thereby you are preventing these surfaces from getting decayed. So that's the second most important point which you need to remember. And the third, foremost important point is that be home and be safe. In case you have any dental issues, feel free to connect with me. Contact your teacher or get in touch with Rachna ma'am, and we can get in touch through a Zoom or through any video call and attend to your dental needs. Thank you very much. Signing off, Santosh Ravindran.